everyone. So, as we said, we are taking you all live to the Thermax Fest, which is happening here at Thermax Academic Center. And I'm having with us Mr. Vishal
Thank you.
from
Hi, Sharvari.
Thermax. Very interesting innovation. I just had a discussion with Mr. Vishal, what exactly this advanced MVR technology is. And I cannot wait to tell you all about how this wastewater has been treated here at Thermax and to get us more information about what exactly it is. Mr. Vishal, it's all up to
Thank you. I think all of us know with the climate change happening all around us, one cannot know whether you're going to get rain, whether the source of water are going to continue. So it is really putting a lot of pressure on industries. One, their own productivity now is dependent on availability of water. Earlier we all thought that water is available through rivers, we can dig a bore well and get the water out. Today even if you go 200 meters, sometimes you don't get water. So it is now becoming mostly very important for industries to see how can they give rebirth to water. So Thermax journey started 50 years ago to see how we can actually give rebirth to water. We don't say water is waste because water cannot be wasted and it cannot be termed as a waste component. So to help companies achieve zero liquid discharge, we have made this innovative product which helps to reduce the level of salt, otherwise known as TDS, which would have gone into the reject water, into the rivers and further polluted them. What we are doing is we are actually trying to evaporate that through a very highly energy efficient system. This is 40% more efficient, can save carbon dioxide equivalent to 16,000 trees planted. So this is the innovation which we have brought out, and what you can do actually get only a gunny bag of salt, which is the byproduct of this particular innovation. So that's what we have done, and if you see it's completely prefabricated, takes less space. Space is available at premium nowadays, so we have tried to compress it in such a way that it is easily transportable and brings in energy efficiency along with solving the pollution problem for customers.
And sir, if not this plant have been innovated, if you can just let us know what would have been the disadvantages of not having this plant at a certain
Place.
factory.
Yeah, so I can just give you an example. We have one large potato manufacturing company. Typically, when you make potato chips, you consume groundwater requirement of around 8 liters of water per kg of potato chips. So we have given this particular system to that client, and from drawing water from ground, they have become water positive. So just imagine a company turning water positive. Another example we have where we are actually saving 3.5 lakh meter cube of water per day, which is equal to 60 swimming pool. So can you imagine 60 Olympic-sized swimming pool, how much amount of water they will be using? That's removing the pressure from earth. That's the journey about this particular product. So if you don't have zero liquid discharge solutions, you can actually cause lot of disruption of rivers and also availability itself. And you have to then depend upon natural sources of water, which are depleting day by day.
That's really amazing. And I also would like to understand there might be less cost consumed by the customers when in order to get the water outsourced or something. So how much cost effective it is in order to apply this plant to any factory?
So I'll just tell you, typically when you go for a zero liquid discharge system, the main aim for customer is how can I get more and more filtered water out at a lesser cost. So they do that with pre-treatment, which involves RO technology, reverse osmosis technology. So our endeavor is how can we reduce this particular element because it uses energy to the least one. So our pre-treatment is done in such a way that the lower and lower sizes of this particular technology is used. Even if customer has to use it, as I mentioned, it is 40% much energy efficient than any conventional equivalent technology which is available today.
Thank you, Mr. Vishal. And this is something really amazing. We would like to congratulate the whole Thermax team. This is something we are really proud of. And thank you so much for having such innovations made in India.